On guys, I just want to make this quick video. I have a 2018 Nissan Titan and it's 4x4. It got stuck in 4 low the other day when I was pulling my boat out of the water. I had read somewhere that I needed to do that, so I gave it a shot and I wanted to try the 4x4 low just to see if it worked. Anyway, it got stuck. I couldn't get it out. I thought maybe it was the transfer case motor. But before I went and bought that, I wanted to check around. I couldn't find any videos about, or just basic videos about getting the truck out of 4 low, but none of it worked. I tried putting it in neutral, waiting, shutting it off, I disconnected the battery, you name it, I tried it. So I started messing around. I noticed that my switch, my 4x switch, you know what I'm talking about. I noticed it felt a little odd. So, after digging some digging, I dropped this and I noticed the switch was really freaking loose. And turns out, it had broke on the backside. So, if this is just a quick video for anyone who wants to know, if you ever have to replace this in a 2018 Nissan Titan, I think this goes to 17 up to 23. I could be wrong, don't hold me to that. All you have to do is take a little pry tool, pull back, or pull out, and it will pop right out. It's got a little wiring harness right there, and then you just plug that in and you are good to go. Also, if you are looking for this specific part, I couldn't find any on Amazon at the time of this video. You can find them on eBay. I'll leave a link to where I found it on eBay. You can check it out, link in the description. And yeah, if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.